Hey there, folks. Dub here, and we're back with the April edition of the Cairn box. Or, shoot, hang on, back it up. This might be the March one, actually. Just because, well, my confusion is, I have to go back and look at the ones and make sure I get the right month on here. I'll put it in the title. But my confusion is I got an email from Cairn the other day when they would have sent me my tracking info, and it says, "Hi. You'd normally be getting your tracking info from us today, but some red tape has complicated things a bit. Here's what's going on. Your collection, blah, 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 was supposed to include a game-changing product with a $50 value. You'd be among the first to get your hands on it. However, last week we got word that in 2 states, Maine and California, have not given the final stamp of approval on shipping this product into the state." So it goes on to say that they were going to send a $50 certificate in this box to buy anything on the site. So if that particular item is not available to myself, then I'll get a some kind of a coupon or something. So interesting to see what happens. So there's some game-changing product we may or may not have. So my video is a little late, but with that being said, let's just get into her. There we go. And it's a pretty small box, so it is possible that it is just a coupon or something else. However, it does have a little bit of weight to it. I'm a little surprised. Well, that could be some kind of like a Cliff Bar, or granola bar, or something else. So, all right, we open it up. It says, "Get out there. What on earth are you waiting for?" Okay, and open it up. And first off, there is something back here. I'm assuming this might be what the heavy item was, and this is Bob's Lemon Poppy Seed Oat Bar. Right there. So Bob's, that sounds delicious in my mind. We'll have to see here. On a rainy afternoon in 2003. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's giving us some info on where it came from. No one. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I said Bob's. This is Bobo's. I read that incorrect. Bobo's. All right. Let's see if we can get the nutrition portion here without opening the bar up. All right. So 190 calories. 60 of that are from fat. 3 grams of protein. 28 grams of carbs. So I'll try and hold it up there if folks want to take a look at the nutrition facts. Anyways, that sounds good. We'll try that out. All right, and as always, they do give us the Cairn scale, gives you an idea of what's going on in the box. I'll hold it there. Folks want to take a look at it, or again, hit me up or subscribe or whatever you want to do. All right. Hey, this doesn't look like gear. That's what it says. So I wonder if this is part of get details about your missing product inside. Okay. We've got some good news and some bad news. First, the good news is this Cairn collection was supposed to include the new Thermacell Radius. The game-changing product is brand spanking new to the market this month, and you were about to be one of the first to get your hands on it. Now, the bad news. Turns out shipping new products to Maine and California is a bit complicated, and word just came down that Thermacell Radius has yet to receive final approval for shipping in these 2 states. We don't know how long it'll take to receive the final stamp of approval, so we partnered with Thermacell to offer you $50 and free shipping to buy anything on their site. Okay. Well, I'll have to look into what that Thermacell deal is. See, here's a little, might have just shown you my coupon code. Might have been a bad move. Anyways, I will use this before I post videos, that way it doesn't hurt me. But this could be a good thing for some of us because depending on what it is this Thermacell Radius is, there might be other stuff on the site that maybe would be better for $50. I don't know. I'll have to go look. So that's what I am missing personally. And then okay. So this is the Gear Up Give Back. So Cairn's doing this thing where they send you this kit if you've got gear that you've used and don't need any longer. I haven't quite checked into the exact requirements here, but it says basically fill up this bag here and send it back to Cairn. They'll revamp the gear, and they got some process to get it in the hands of people who could use some low-cost gear is what is my assumption there. So if you got stuff that you want to give to Cairn to help out other people maybe just getting into outdoor stuff, or you just want to see a second, third, or fourth item you have, find a good home, that's one way to go for it. I believe you can request additional of these bags on their site. All right, so we've got the Bobo's bar here. I will try that out. Lemon poppy seed oat bar sounds delicious to me. And very interested to see what exactly it is that the Thermacell Radius does. Compact, lightweight, rechargeable powerhouse creates a zone of protection from mosquitoes anywhere you go. Ah, okay. So it's some kind of mosquito repellent gear. No sprays, lotions, or mess. read more about the outdoor game changer in the Cairn Scout inside. So if you want to look into it yourself, go ahead. I'm going to hop on the website and see what else they've got. All right, folks. Thanks for tuning in. This is Dub signing off, and I will catch you on the next one.